How to fix TikTok? Your video has been muted on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open your settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you are interested just in TikTok. So search for it, and when you found it, just open it like this, and you have to go now directly to storage, and on storage go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to your Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.